Hey, we are Inspiring English Speech. Welcome to our channel, and our today's topic is how to improve your problem solving skills. Everyone wants to be smart. People with better problem solving skills tend to do far better than their counterparts in every aspect of life. Enhanced thinking skills help you to come up with better ways of carrying out a task. It also keeps you ahead of competition trying to overthink you. Make sure to subscribe this channel to get more valuable videos from our side. Herein we discuss ways in which you can improve and maintain your problem solving skills. Step 1. Practice. Practice makes perfect or something close to it. The more time you invest in improving your problem solving skills, the better they will get. For example, instead of always looking for a shortcut, you can strategically plan your study hours. Set up a timer and concentrate on whatever you are reading, and by keeping all your distractions aside. Step 2. Question everything. What makes achievers stand out from the crowd? One reason is that they question everything. They do not make important decisions based on assumptions. Even when they guess, they have educated guesses, ones based on some form of research and study. So, train your brain to be curious and have an appetite to know more. This way, you will be able to look at a problem from different angles. Step 3. Get adequate sleep. Make sure that your body gets at least 6 hours of sleep per night to keep your brain active during the daytime. Power naps are always among the best effective ways of improving the functions of the brain. Lot of studies have shown that lack of adequate sleep harms the thinking ability greatly. Most students and entrepreneurs tend to cut their sleep hours, a practice that is counterproductive in the long run. Getting enough sleep will keep you healthy, maintain your blood pressure, and allow you to focus more efficiently. Step 4. Be a good listener. To be a good thinker, you first be a good listener. Listening patiently to ideas shared by others will be of great help to you. When we listen to the experiences, struggles, ideas, faith, and viewpoints of others, we give ourselves access to multiple ways of viewing a scenario from other people's point of view. Analysis of different experiences allow an individual to develop foresights and give an ability to sense the outcomes of a future event. Another way to access this is through reading. Read well, read far, and read to take notes. Make your reading habits more powerful. Life is an overall learning experience, and the more open you are to new learning experiences, the better your problem solving skills. In this video, we touched one aspect of learning. In our next video, we are coming with some different life lessons, which will help you to grow in your success journey. So make sure to subscribe this channel to get some valuable learning and with English learning. Hit the like button to encourage us to give you more possible valuable lessons, and comment your ideas in which we can make our next video. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.